Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun fight training. It's dealing with and how to do a double leg takedown. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Okay, so basic, crude, but effective double leg takedown, right? Going through principles with an opponent in a lead stance. We're not going to start with any application yet, just to get our technique down. So what you want to do is you want to squat and sink below their center of gravity, right? I can't really take someone down with my back up. It's really relying off of brute strength and then having a lack of structure. So what I want to do is I want to bridge the distance and get low, keeping my head tucked to him. If my head rides high, I'm susceptible to a guillotine, a choke, a reversal. The lower I get my head and my body, the better protected I am. All right, so that's the first part. I'm going to wrap low and go for a minor compression on his legs, driving my head into the opposite side. As I do that, if I corkscrew and turn, it'll be easier to lift him and take him down. So kind of like with Wing Chun where you're approaching the blind side, same idea occurs with your double leg. If you stand in front of him, it's going to be harder to take him down. His lower limbs might be getting in the way. So a little more fluid, I come in, set myself, get on an angle, and I start driving with my head. Right? I should be able to manipulate him with just my head. My hands are just anchors for the legs to make sure they don't move. As I drive with my head, I lift with my hips, which raises him. One more time, a little more fluid. Right, we'll complete it gently. As I'm coming through, snaking my hands around, corkscrewing, digging my head to his right hip, lifting and dropping. Right? It's harder to do slow than it is fast. So one more time, just like that. I snake in, get my head in, turn, drive towards the other, lift, and go. All right, so an easy combat application. If we're in our striking positions, Keith throws a punch, I take my head off the line, or I pop his hands up so it's harder for him to trail me as I lower myself. Get low, lift, and down. All right, there's a crude takedown that doesn't take a lot of time to master that you can incorporate into your game.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.